Well, hello students, welcome to this class with me, Mr. Alfie. And this is Mathematics Specialist class. In this particular video, we're going to learn volume and capacity units. We're going to learn how to convert a one capacity unit to another capacity unit. Now, I want you to look very closely to this diagram. So, this ML capital stands for milliliter, and then L capital stands for liter, and KL capital stands for kiloliter, and M capital L capital stands for megaliter. Now, 1 milliliter is actually equal to 1 centimeter cube. That's why I write it like this one. And also 1 kiloliter equal to 1 meter cube. Now, how to convert one capacity unit to another capacity unit? As you can see here, if you convert milliliter to liter, that means you follow this arrow, you divide the number with 1,000. And also if you convert from liter to kiloliter, that means you follow this arrow, you divide the number with 1,000. And also with kiloliter or meter cube to megaliter, you divide the number with 1,000. But if you convert megaliter to kiloliter or meter cube, you multiply the number with 1,000. And also if you convert the kiloliter or meter cube to a liter, you multiply the number with 1,000, and also from liter to milliliter or centimeter cube. So you can see here 1 liter equal to 1,000 milliliter, because from liter to milliliter you multiply the number with 1,000, since the number is 1, so equal to 1,000. And also with equal to 1,000 centimeter cube, because milliliter equal to centimeter cube. Next, 1 kiloliter is actually equal to 1,000 liter, because from kiloliter to liter you multiply the number with 1,000. And 1 megaliter equal to 1,000 kiloliter. You multiply the number with 1,000. Let's jump to the example. Convert the following measurements to the units shown in a bracket. 34 milliliter, we are going to convert this to centimeter cube. Remember this diagram. Since milliliter equal to centimeter cube in this diagram, so 34 milliliter equal to 34 centimeter cube. This one is very easy. Next, how about 750 meter cube to megaliter? So as you can see here, from meter cube to megaliter, that means you divide the number with 1,000. So it is equal to 750 divided by 1,000 equal to 0.75 megaliter. Let's jump to the example. A newly constructed in-ground swimming pool is shown here, and also the measurements. Find the volume of swimming pool in liter, and then the pool is filled using a pipe with a cross-sectional area 0.05 meter square. How long will this take if the water flows through the pipe at 2 meters per second? So we're going to find the solution from the first question. So now we're going to find the volume of a swimming pool in liter. If you look this swimming pool very carefully, you will notice that this is actually a prism. If this is a prism, that means we need to identify which sides are actually the cross-section side. So this side and this side is actually the cross-section sides. Remember, the cross-section, that means they are congruent and also parallel. If we take this side, this is the side, and this is 2 meters from here, 3 meters from here, and 30 meters from here. Okay? If you cannot identify this one as a trapezium, we can rotate this one, become this one. Now, you can see it clearly that this is a trapezium. This is the parallel sides, and this is the height. This is a cross section in this prism. First, in order to find the volume of a prism, we need to find the area of a cross section. Since the cross section is a trapezium, so the area of a cross section is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Remember, the sum of the parallel side, 2 and 3, divided by 2 times the height. Okay, so it is equal to 75 meter square. Now, since we have found the area of cross section, we can find the volume of this prism. Remember, if this side is a cross section side, that means this is the height of this prism. So the volume equal to the area of a cross section multiple with the height. So the volume equal to 75. We have found this one, the area of a cross section before, multiple with 10, the height from this side. So the volume equal to 750 meter cube. We are not done here because the question specifically asks you in liter. So we need to convert a meter cube to a liter. Remember the diagram? If we convert meter cube to a liter, that means we multiply the number with 1,000. Since the number is 750, so the volume equal to 750 multiplied by 1,000 equal to 750,000 liter. Now we're going to find the solution of this equation. The pool is filled using a pipe with cross-sectional area 0.05 meter square. How long will this take if the water flows through the pipe at 2 meters per second? In order to find the solution if on this equation, we need to know about discharge or a flow rate. In this particular equation is a flow rate of a water or a discharge of a water. The formula of discharge is Q equal to V times A, where Q is a discharge and V here, that means a velocity, and A is the area of the cross-sectional. From the equation, we already know that the area of a cross-sectional is 0.05 meters square and the velocity is 2 meters square. It's come from this one. The pipe at 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second. Now we can find the discharge of this water. The discharge or the flow rate is the velocity multiplied with the area of a cross-sectional. So 2 multiplied with 0.05 meter square. So it is equal to 0.1 meter cube per second. This is the discharge or the flow rate. Now, how many minutes will take to fill the swimming pool? So in order to find the time that needed to fill this swimming pool, we divide the volume of the swimming pool with the discharge or the flow rate. So time taken to fill this swimming pool is the volume multiplied with the discharge. We have found the volume 750 cube, and then we have found the discharge or a flow rate is 0.1 meter cube per second. I need you to look very closely in this unit. At the previous, we have found the volume of the swimming pool 750 meter cube, and we have converted it into a liter, 750,000 liter. But why we use meter cube instead of liter? Because the discharge here or the flow rate in meter cube per second. So we prefer to use a meter cube because they have the same measurement. So if they have the same measurement, you simply can divide this number. So the time taken for fill this swimming pool is actually 7,500 seconds. Or you can convert second to minutes, and you'll find the time taken is 125 minutes. And you can also convert the minutes to hours, is 2 hours 5 minutes to fill this pool with this discharge or flow rate.